We have city slickers here,
Suffering.
suffering,
The heat
having
and the
difficulty.
dust.
City slickers. Si tour guide natin parang wala lang sa kanya, oh. Chill lang siya. So that is the problem if you have this tour. Dapat, no?
Here we can discover all Petra.
Oh, nice.
Here
Very nice.
we can see that this is the royal tombs over there. We can see the palace tomb, the Corinthian tomb, the South tomb, and the residential area of Petra. Here we can see that this street in the front of you. Can you see the colonnade of the street? On both sides of the colonnade of the street, you can see the main market. Here with the Roman pavement, the limestone, the white Roman pavement. Here we can see that there is a temple in the front of you. We called it by the Great Temple. This temple we called it
These
by
are
the
residential houses raised by earthquake, no? Wiping out the entire
2009.
old civilization.
This is the Roman palace, okay, dedicated for the Roman Emperor Hadrian. Petra has several names. During the ancient time, they name it by Hadriana because
Hadrian.
of the visit of the Roman Emperor Hadrian for Petra. And it was named by Trajana, and it was named by the Arabia Provincia. It was named also by the Red Rose City because of the blank, yeah, because of the pink colors. Here we can see that there is a gate here. We call this gate the gate, okay, or Hadrian Gate.
Hadrian Gate.
In the opposite side here, we can see that there is a temple. This temple, we called it by the Winged Lion Temple.
Winged lion.
There was a status for a lion. He has got two wings. That's why they name it by the Winged Lion Temple. Okay. The archaeologists, they found a sculpture for a lion. He has got two wings. Okay, that's why they name it by the Winged Lion Temple. From 25 to 300